Hello people, I am Rashek Rivera. Today I am explaining in this section how to install Proteus 8 professional software and how to install Arduino software. Let's go into our section. First of all, open your browser and go to Google. Go to google.com and then search Proteus 8 professional download with crack and then click on enter. Scroll down here and select Proteus 8 full with crack working. Okay, click on this link. Now it will navigate to another web page like it. After this, click on download now and will navigate to drive folder. So click on download anyway, it will download automatically. Okay, click on save file and OK. Now I cancel this download because I have the software also. Now I explain further process. Okay, after completion of download, it will show like zip file in your downloads and extract those zip file into folder in this location. Okay, it will create a folder Proteus 8 full crack working. Then open that folder and click on setup.exe and then click on accept the terms of agreement and click on next. Okay, then select see here, this is two options: use a locally installed license folder or use a license key installed on server. Present we have not any server, so server cost it will be high, so I will select these options: use a locally selected install license key file. So select this option and click on next. Then click on all those things. It will match the styles from previous version and import templates from previous version and import user libraries from previous version. Then click on all these files and click on next. Then it will show two options: typical or custom. Custom is for business. Which option you have been used in that Proteus software. Present it is not required, so go through for typical. Once you have selected typical, it will install completely. Then open Proteus folder and click. Then that open crack folder, double click on license file. Then it will opens a window like this and click on browse for key file. Then open again Proteus 8 professional and crack folder and select license.kvk file. Then click on open and then next install. Click on install. It will install license file. And next process is open that crack folder and copy these two files, win and models. Copy those files and go to this particular location, C folder, program files and Lab Central Electronics, and then Proteus 8 professional folder. Go to that folder and paste that files in that particular location. Okay, once of all complete those files, then open Proteus 8 professional, right click on this and run as administrator. Now click on yes. It will open. Okay, it will show like this. In this, click on ISIS. It shows schematic capture. Okay, my Proteus 8 Professional working perfectly. This successfully completed. And next process, how to install Arduino software. Same process. Go to Google. Search for Arduino.gc. It will navigate to home page of Arduino. Wait for a second. Yes, it will open. Then go to software and click on downloads. Scroll down here. Click on Windows app. Whether you have Linux or Linux, please download Linux 64-bit or 32-bit or Mac OS. Please download this. Or else I have Windows. So I downloaded this. Yes. Scroll down here and it will show two options. First one, just download. Second one, contribute and download. Contribute means you will contribute some money to this website, or click on just download. Okay. Get this app and download automatically. After download is completed, double click on those files in downloads. Then it shows a window like this. Then click on yes and then click on agree to navigate another window like this, and click on all those files because it is installation of USB drivers and all. It is useful to detect our Arduino board. Then click on next. Browse whatever location you want and click on next. Default it shows C program files and Arduino location. Then click on next. The installation process getting started. And finally it shows driver installation. Please click on install. It will ask you 3 times. That 3 times you click on install. And finally the Arduino downloading process, Arduino installing process completed. Now open Arduino. Yes, it will successfully install and no problem with my Arduino software. Hello access. It will take some time to loading libraries and board managers. Yeah, it will open like this. Okay friends, thanks for watching. In next video, I will explain how to write code in Arduino software and how to design hardware, Arduino board and connections, whatever, and how to dump the code in that simulation and check the output as well as. Thanks for watching.